Okay, so you've come to a part of the road where you see a sign that says that. No winter road maintenance provided beyond this point. Road not recommended for travel. And you're traveling in that. That's a two-wheel drive 1988 Ford F350 XLT Lariat with only two-wheel drive. So, what a good Canadian does is he goes out and buys himself a nice set of chains like this. These are made by Triggs with titanium coated teeth. These will make it so we can go past that sign with ease. And with tire chains, you always want to put the cams to the rear. Go up to your tire, flip on as such, boom. It only takes 10 years of practice to do it that well. Grab your other set, cams to the rear. Walk up to your set of tires. Hope that your second flip is as good as the first. Boom. Now, you wreck the video like that. What you do is you grab these, flip it over the other tire. Square up your chains, front and rear. Do the same to the other side. Now, the truck will roll ahead. Yeah, started. Now what you want to do is you want to roll ahead enough where the cams are hanging and the tail ends of the other side of the chain are past your tire, like so. Right about there. Make sure you don't forget to take a sip of your coffee while you're doing this, for that little extra energy from flipping those chains. Do not forget your coffee on the bumper when you drive away. So since we flipped our tire chains over, we have our tail ends here, which will make it so that we'll hook our center, our inside, and then our outside. Tighten the cams, and then we have additional cams on this set that we can tighten even more if we choose to do so. But the other thing that's important for you out there not knowing how to put tire chains on is always bring a tire chain board. Boom, now I'm not laying in the snow. So you'd like to get the center about as tight as you can. The thing is, if you get it too tight, when you go to take your chains off later, it might be difficult to get the center chain out. So I don't ever make it as tight as possible, just so it doesn't make it as difficult later. Ideally, if you have the clearance to leave it a little bit loose in here, that's fine. If you don't, you want it as tight as possible. Hook that center clip easier without the rubber gloves. Grab your rear. I'll show you an example of how to hook up the cam when we are at the front. And little tips and tricks. All right, so that was difficult. It is kind of chilly out here in Alberta, Canada. So tire chains are pretty freaking handy, and I recommend everybody to get a set. When you do, make sure you cut them down to size so they fit better. These still need to be adjusted. I'll have to use this last link here. If you don't have enough, what a guy does is you can actually just hook that on like this, give it a pull and get all that tension out of the chain and slip her in. Boom, that's how that goes. You never want to leave the tail end out though. Make sure you hook that on to the end of your hooky cami thing, and boom, that is one side. To be sure that I don't wreck my fiberglass fenders, I always add couple of these DOT approved rubber bungees. My pants just ripped.
No, you already had a hole in them.
Okay. So that cam is not coming undone right there. Now we pick up our tire chain board, grab our coffee, take a sip. Hurry on to the other side.
We'll do a speed lap to make it faster. Throw your board down.
This side will be a lot nicer because we have the muffler exhaust system here to keep me warm. Straighten your chain. Square it all up. Okay, that's not tight enough. Okay, we're almost ready for fun. This side fits way nicer. Again, tail of the chain, slide, pull your cam up. Boom. This one's pretty tight, but for good measure and a habit. That right there is a very, very tight set of tire chains. Now, if you would like to learn more, go somewhere else because I don't know that much. After you throw your set of tire chains on your sweet truck, is you want to tighten the cams. And all you need to do, throw your little tool in there and you just turn it till that's tight. It actually brings the chain closer together. So I've already tightened these ones here. But again, throw your cam tightener in there, turn it over. Do that to all three. These are not going anywhere, and now we're safe for travel. Again, thanks for watching.